Yo, what's up everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be replacing the back brakes on my new truck. So, yeah, let's jump right into this and start tearing my truck apart. Alright, so we got the wheel off, so now the next step is to take, whoa, that's zoomed in too much, to take this guy off and replace the brake pads. So, let's do some more work. Alright guys, so I took the other side off. I didn't have, I didn't know what I was doing, so I was having my dad show me, so I didn't record anything there. But now I know what I'm doing, so I took this other tire off. I have to take the caliper off, and once I do that, I have to, get the brakes ready and then put the brakes back on and do all that. So now I'm gonna go on and do that. Alright, so now that I got the pads on, now I just have to take the caliper, put it back, put it back on, and then put the wheel back on, and we'll be good to drive off. Well, got the wheels back on. Now my brakes won't be squealing, and drive on out of here. So, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I want you guys to have a good rest of your day. So, I'll see you next time.